Hi, this is Jeepin' with Julia again. I'm here to show you my new Rubicon wheels. I bought these wheels off of, you know what, Marketplace. They came off a 2021 Jeep Rubicon. And he had the whole set of 5 because I do not do a non-matching spare tire. So I'm extremely happy with these. I think they look great. Because the Rubicon 2021 has a backup camera here, I did have to purchase, which I haven't gotten it yet, a center cap. So I did buy that from Quadratec. So that should be here on Wednesday. So I just think they look so good. I'm absolutely in love with them. So I bought the whole set of 5 for $600. Which I think was a very good deal. I've seen some people asking double that for, they had like 1,000 miles on them. He had just bought it, but he is putting some big shoes on that Jeep. So yeah, just a little quick walk around of my new Rubicon wheels. I think they look great, much better than the stock ones. And I do have my stock ones sitting over here. And underneath here I've got them for sale now. We really didn't have any use for them, so I'm just gonna sell them. Anyways, there's the new filler cap I put on, which wasn't as easy as everybody else said. Just saying. Anyways, that's it. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.